Hai and Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nur Asha binti Rosli. Metric number is A18B1262. So for this video, I will start with the introduction. Mathematics is an important part of managing business. Business and mathematics go hand in hand. This is because business deal with money and money. Business mathematics are mathematics used by commercial enterprise to record and manage business operation. Commercial organization use mathematics in accounting, inventory management, marketing, sales forecasting, and financial analysis. So, for this assignment, our group need to gather the information of the production based on the real market that related to our company types to apply mathematical calculation from business mathematics course.
Hi, my name is Nur Husna Toyibah Binti Muhammad Nasir and my metric number is A18B1241. Okay, so today I will start our present, which is the first one. I will introduce our company, which is named Bake with Love Bakery. Our bakery is located at lot 268 Jalan Sabak 16100 Kota Baru, Kelantan. The owner is me, which is I start our bakery is at 6 February 2020 and our type of business is sole proprietorship. Okay. So now I will present about our payroll report for our employee. Okay, for different department, we will pay different rate. Okay, for example, for sales department, they are going to get 12 ringgit Malaysia per hour. For marketing department, they will get 10 ringgit per hour. For production department is 11 ringgit per hour. For production department, they will get 11 ringgit 50 cent per hour. For payroll department, they will get 9 ringgit 50 cent per hour. For others, which is administration, they will get 12 ringgit 20 cent per hour. Okay, so for regular hour, for sales department, they will get 32 ringgit. For marketing, they will get 37 ringgit 50 cent. For production department, they will get 40 ringgit per hour. And for for administration, they will get 40 ringgit per hour. Okay, so for total per month, for payroll, we will pay around 6,263 ringgit 95 cent per month. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you.
Now I will proceed to the next question. My name is Fatin Aisyah binti Nur Azman. My metric number is A18B1194. For the first question, in question 2, in this question we need to complete the table which we need to estimate the amount of our company needs to start up the business, find the interest amount and the amount after the time given. For the first amount is from our own, which is we use RM50,000 and the future value is RM50,000 because there is no interest rate, due period and interest amount. For the next, loan from relative, we use 10,000 ringgit. So for the interest amount, we use the formula I equal to PRT, which is I equal to 10,000 times 0.07, which we get from the interest rate 7% times 18 over 24. 18 over 24 we get from the due period 18 months over 24 months. So the answer is RM525. For the future value, we use the formula S equal to P open bracket 1 plus RT close the bracket, which is 10,000 open bracket 1 plus open bracket 0.07 times 18 over 24 close bracket. So the answer we will get is RM10525. For the bank ABC, the amount that we need is 100,000 ringgit. For the interest amount, the formula we use is I equal to S minus P. To get the amount of S, we need to find the future value first. So, for the future value, the formula we use is I equal to K over M. K is the rate that is 6.5% compound monthly. So, it would get 0.065 over 12. So, the answer is 0.00542. So, for the N equal to MT equal to 12 over 7, which we get the 84. Next, we use the formula S equal to P, open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket, to the power of N. So, which is 100,000, open bracket 1 plus 0.00542 to the power of 84. So, the answer for the future value is 157,467.77 ringgit. So we can find the interest amount because we have the answer of S. So I equal to S minus P, which is 157,467.77 minus 100,000, and the answer that we get is RM57,467.77. Lastly, the overall total of amount is RM160,000 ringgit. For the interest amount is RM57,992 ringgit 77 cent. For the future value, RM217,992 ringgit 77 cent. In question 2, we need to make the promissory note for the loan from relative based on table 1 and using the date of established as a date of the note. So this is the promissory note of our company to the relative. So the amount is 10,000 ringgit. The date is 20 March 2020. 6 months after date, I promise to pay the loan from relative ringgit Malaysia. 10,000 only for a value received with interest at the rate 7% until paid. The number is 1344. The due to 20 September 2020. So that's all from me. Thank you. Now I will pass the presentation to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Azin Shazuminti Muhammad Saidi. My ID matric is A18B1237 and I'm going to take a part to explain for question 3. So for the question 3, we are going to identify the machinery used in our company. Hence, we need to estimate the cost of each machinery based on the real market. So we divided to 3 parts, which is machinery A, B and C. For the machinery A, the cost of the machine is RM25,000 and the scrap value is RM3,000. For the machinery B, the cost of the machine is RM21,000 and the scrap value is 1,600. Last but not least, for the machinery C, the cost of the machinery is RM22,500 and the scrap value is RM2,500. Based on the fixed cost of the machinery that our company bought on left table in this slide, we need to select one machine and construct a depreciation schedule for 6 years using declining balance methods. So, the machinery A was bought for RM25,000. The useful life for the machine is 6 years with the scrap value RM3,000. Based on the table in the left of this slide, the table shows annual depreciation to date and also book value for the first years until 6 years. In order to find depreciation, we need to use annual rate of depreciation formula. This formula where SV is a salvage value, C is cost of asset, R is annual rate of depreciation and N is useful life number of years. So we can see that SV is RM3,000, C is RM25,000 and N is 6. The annual rate of depreciation we got is 29.77%.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ashrin binti Jamal Syahid Gudia. My metric number is A18B1191. Today I'm going to present about the question 3, which is the book value at the end of the year. The formula BV equal to C multiple 1 minus R multiple T. Okay, the solution BV, the answer BV1 if the answer is 70,557.50. Then the book value 2, the answer is 12,330.63 cents. Then the book value 3, the answer is 8,659.80 cents. For the book value 4, the answer is 6,081.70 cents. For the book value 5, the answer is 4,271. For book value 6, the answer is 2,999. For the answer for cash discount, which is 0.03 multiple to 25,000, the answer will be 750. For the payment, the formula is invoice amount minus to the cash discount, which is 25,000 minus to 750. The answer is 25,250. Okay, for the next question is the question is find how supplier B need to receive payment from your company. Since the invoice was paid 21 days after the discount period, the supplier B was not entitled for any discount. So the payment will be 25,000 and the payment was RM 25,000.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Walid Samiza binti Wamazahan, number metric A18B1266. Today I will explain about question 4, which is amortization. First, we have to calculate this monthly payment. So we have bank loan, which is P is Rn 100,000 and is 12, I is 0.00375. The formula for A is P bracket I over 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket n to the power negative n. So we put all the number in the formula and the total of A is RM 8537.8. For the amortization schedule for 12 months, we have period, beginning balance, ending balance, monthly payment, total paid, principal paid, total principal paid, interest paid, and total interest paid. First, we put the monthly payment which we got is 8537.85. After that, we calculate the interest paid, which is I times beginning balance. And after that, we calculate the principal paid, which is monthly payment minus interest paid, and we got 8162.86. And after that, we calculate the ending balance, which is beginning balance minus principal paid, and we got 91887.15. So we carry this balance to the beginning balance and calculate until we get 0.03. So that's all for me.
Lastly, for the conclusion, business mathematics in management is able to make more effective and efficient in more cases by use more advanced mathematics. such as calculus and metric algebra. Business organization use mathematics in accounting, inventory management, and etc. This assignment required us to make own related data set, which is have to do data based on employees, gross pay, and others. Next, we use some formulas such as gross paid, monthly paid, piece work, rate, interest paid, and commission declining balance method. We had to analyze the data according to what we have chosen. Thank you.